look at this.
Look
how clean this is.
The route, it's live right now. Where we're gonna go, we're gonna hit the toll road.
How low the thing sits, bro. That's crazy, bro. Dude, I think your car sits low as mine now. And he got the NRG quick release. Yes, sir. But god damn, look at that gap. Holy.
I'm gonna do that like next week or something.
For sure. Nah, but yeah, guys, this is a little project car, little tollgate car. It's a work in progress right now, but give it some time, guys.
I'm gonna paint it soon.
I believe in this car. All right, guys. So we just met up at the gas station right now, and we about to be on our way right now. We're gonna head over to the meeting spot, and yeah, guys. And I'll see you guys there. Yes, sir. Got the GoPro ready. This is the GoPro I'm using. A little old, but hey, gets the job done. But yeah, guys, we just met up. We got here super early, like very early. Got my boy Jay over here, 370Z. And my boy Darius over here. Yeah, damn, we got a Rolls Royce and a Porsche. What is this? This is 911. Damn, that's crazy clean. So clean. Got a Rolls Royce over there. And 4. And an NSX. Oh my god, that is so clean. Holy. That's so clean. They have a whole shop over here. But dang, look at that NSX though. Workmeisters, all chromed out. On bags, bro. That's so clean. Damn, look at this. Look how low this thing is. Man. Looks like a stock. Look how clean this is. Holy. Guys, this is a dream, bro. Oh, look at that McLaren. McLaren, this shit is clean. Look how fat the tires are, dude. Holy shit. Oh my god. Bro, that's a flex, bro. Oh my god. That red is so clean, bro. Holy. Dude, I deadass feel like I don't even belong here right now.
Telling me, man.
It's getting packed, guys. I don't know what type of rims those are, but they are shiny, dude. Holy.
Got my silencer.
Is that an R8? That's so clean. Oh man, oh, isn't this the one that we saw? Yeah, that's the one that we saw from last time. That is so clean, bro.
Hey, you guys know where Moises is? Nah, dude. Nah, but I'm assuming over there in the main lot.
sound like Hot Wheels. We got an RX-7.
I have this.
Alright guys, officially has started. We're walking over to the driver's meeting. They're gonna tell us all the info on where we're gonna go and where and what are we gonna do.
It's 10:05. I gotta be home by 12:30.
Bro, dude.
Holiday. You guys celebrate it. You guys don't. We still love you guys. Right now we're gonna be heading to Foothill. Where are we going? Foothill. We're gonna go in and out at Foothill Ranch. Posting the route. It's live right now. Where we're gonna go. We're gonna hit the toll roads all the way to Foothill. After that, we're gonna eat at In-N-Out, hang out there, take a lot of photos. Please drive safe.
Toll roads.
Tag us in your videos. Tag car reveal. Next Sunday we have a mansion exclusive party, so we have a limited spots. If you guys want to go, just DM us, and we'll probably see you guys.
Going to In-N-Out, I think. I'm not sure where they're going right now, but I'm literally just following the crew. But yeah, guys, give you guys some little POV drives. Sure faster than I am. M340i. Damn, man. Not bad. I didn't do bad for a 4-banger though. Damn. He's for sure faster than I am. Yeah. Way faster. Way faster.